Hey everyone, it's the Blazer King with King's Critiques for Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skills. Yeah, it's another one of those weird fantasy cooking anime, but I mean, the last one we watched was extremely good, so. But then again, this ain't no restaurant to another world. Like, that had hot girls and really good looking food. I imagine this would have at least one of those things. Unfortunately, it's not the thing we always look forward to, but hey, we here, we in it, and I can actually finish uploading that, so 2 seconds. Alright, now, if you haven't seen the episode by the time you see this upload, do go and pull me up alongside with my comments as it goes along, or just leave me running in the background. I'll get the watch time, because that'd be highly appreciated, as would being a like and subscribe button, because as you know, not as many people who turn on the content are subscribed as they could be, and two of these things do help me in reaching my goal, and, well, we all gotta support each other in this human race, right? Supposedly. That said, let's get into it. Um, yeah, no, that was just Okami. Oh, good. It's an isekai. Well, that much was obvious, but it's like, and they're all just standing there like, what? No, that's pretty lit actually with them. And they're your cute girls. As for the overly sexualized ones, that's a matter of question. But I'm sorry, did that just say this is done by Mappa? I'm sorry. Okay, my what? One of the best animation companies is taking part in something like this? I mean, that means it holds incredible potential, right? Because when a really good animation studio takes hold of something, like that usually means it'll end up being really good, right? Like people talk shit about how Bleach is being treated, but honestly, even if we don't get all of what we could have from the manga, Thousand Year Blood War is good for the first half that we've gotten so far, and I look forward to July for the rest of it. You know, the season of Attack on Titan that was. Actually, has Attack on Titan always been done by Mappa? Regardless, everything I've ever seen from Mappa has just looked fucking beautiful. Which I guess would explain why the Okami looking motherfucker in the beginning looked as good as it did. And it's not like Katakawa where, yeah, their animation always looks gorgeous, but not every anime is peak. And I don't think this will hit peak, but B tier at least? Maybe. We're only a minute in, and I'm already impressed with the companies that are taking part in it, so. Yeah, why do you not surprise me that you're a king? Why are they panning over to the old woman's tits? I don't think they can send you back though. And by the way those three are looking at him, obviously they don't know him, so were they just all really pulled out at random? Yeah, it looks pretty average. But what kind of skill is online grocery anyway? Like, does that help him reduce prices for what he buys food wise? Oh, it wasn't the old woman tits they were panning over to, it was the jewelry. Yep, that's not how that works. Eh? He could just shop for shit, just sitting down. It really is like a fucking. And it just appears. The convenience of that. Even faster than Amazon. Jeff Bezos, eat your heart out. And now they realize that it's just like, boom, teleporting fucking rations. He's right. Be a fucking chef, boy. Lit. Hey, hey, so that's two things. Hey, you're already a step ahead. Yes. About that. Nope. Yeah, that was probably the right call. Oh shit. Yeah, when someone's whispering something, you don't say it out loud in a surprised reaction. Yeah, that's also a gigantic trope. Usually. Yeesh. Yeah, a pretty busted skill. So yeah, two pretty cute girls and some reminiscent of Jesus. It's actually really handy. I love how he's just hiding all the evidence from how he made, or from how he made it. I mean, he did make all of it for you guys to eat. Well, opposite. Mm. Well, maybe that's part of the skill you have. Oh, she actually did get a stat boost. What the fuck? Very well could be. Damn. But isn't that a good thing? As long as they don't actually find out. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. As long as they don't actually find out. Too bad you didn't realize that back when you were first summoned, though. Scoot. Yeah. Unless you're in a restaurant, using uneven cuts really doesn't matter. Even in a restaurant, it's really a matter of just being a whiny little bitch. I love how he's holding this fucking wood for the fire and he just drops it like, oh my god. And here comes that Okami looking motherfucker. They all had a mix of anticipation and fear in their eyes. Uh, Sandwich. Man, y'all are gonna die. Oh, good doggy. Nice doggy. If we do, will you leave us alone? Well, you at least gotta appreciate when giant, terrifying creatures like that at least have a sense of patience. And now he's forced to fucking cook for the creature. Hopefully it's not giving the creature stat boosts. That'd be terrifying. Well, there go all their food. So many cans or bottles of ginger sauce. That was all of the meat they had. It looks like he gained weight. Eh? No fucking shot. Bro. Fucking take it, man. Ah. Ah. You're. This thing is godlike, and you're going to refuse? And everyone else in the party is like, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. He's so worn out from cooking. I was half expecting the thing to lick over his face. Aw, head touches. Fine, but you better not expect that much meat on a regular basis. Fucking asshole. Oh, hey, we're actually getting a lesson. You wish. I mean, hey, that's still a good amount of money. Hey, to be fair, you have the contract, so now you're in charge technically. Uh, I think that's already the funniest part about this show is his power is completely underwhelming, and now he has a contract with. I could not tell you what power scaling is, but my statement before about seeming godlike and his statement about it resembling Fenrir, those two things are probably not unlikely, especially based on the title of the next episode. So, like, this anime already started off really good by seeing that Mappa was in part to the cause of it being made. Like, that already made it up there for the standalone shows of the season. But the episode itself was actually really fucking good. Like, the way he started out completely underwhelming, but his skill actually is really fucking cool. And on top of that, he got a deity as a familiar. Feeding it's gonna suck, but hopefully he can look at it eventually and be like, look, I'm fine with feeding you, but don't eat me out of my entire wallet. Because that's how shit like this goes a lot. But they'll probably also be able to kill a bunch more creatures like that red boar and feed it easier. That'll be fun to find out. Uh, man, between the animation actually being really good on top of the studio that does the animation being one of the biggest out there, pretty sure I dubbed them within the holy trinity of animation studios, actually. Like, this is really cool to look forward to seeing more of. And they, like, aren't doing anything to over sexualize any of the characters. Because, as I've said before, yes, that's a thing I love and adore to see. However, if an anime needs to, or doesn't need to do that and still ends up to be extremely good, that just makes it even better. Because obviously, a lot of anime rely on sex appeal to make it good. That's the point of a lot of ecchi shows. That's the point of a lot of comedy, rom com, fantasy shows in general. But, like, unlike most fantasy anime I've seen, even ones including done by Mappa, I've surprisingly seen very little cleavage being shown off. Let's state it that way. Because, usually in anime like this, you have at least two girls, a receptionist including, that just have the biggest badonkadonks and badoombadooms, to use silly catchphrases, that you just kind of look like, so this is the feature. Got like at least two or three other anime this season alone that are in the fantasy isekai genre, and yeah, a couple of those I can't wait to start watching more of. But I'm gonna wrap up here so I can prepare to do some stuff in a little bit, and then record one of my favorite shows already of the season, because Yuri Bait is actual Yuri potentially, depending on the difference between the anime and the manga. So that being said, really good show. Animation already really good. Has amazing potential to get even better due to the studio. And the fact the main character isn't, overpowered, but actually just discovered how to make use of his skills to, be useful. Good on him. So this will be fun to watch. Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below, as well as, of course, about any other shows, movies, etc. I should watch this season, next season, or in general. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my main channel in the description down below. Ring both bells like Facebook, follow Twitter to keep updated with things. TikTok, upload videos under 10 minutes from both channels. Twitch, subscribe there for benefits. Can do so. Twitch Prime for free. All of the subscriptions help out immensely. Over there is near instant gratification. Over here I still need a little under 150 for partner, as well as a ton of watch time, so don't forget to check out the playlist here. Video recommended there. Until next time, Ben the Blazer King with King's Critiques out. Ta-ta for now. Peace.